Oh my God, this house actually reminds me a lot of one of the homes that I own. And it is just a stunning property with so much potential. So first and foremost, you have this indoor little front porch area, which I love because on sunny days like today, you don't have to worry about the sun. You have AC, you have still a beautiful view of the front of the house and the street. And it's just a great little sitting area. I love it. So many upgrades in this home, guys. Can't wait to show it to you. So right as you get into the front, you have 2 closets, which is quite rare. And 2 decent sized front closets. You also have stunning living area, kitchen. There's literally so many upgrades in this house, like from the flooring to the fresh paint to the cabinets. It's just, you have quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, beautiful sink. Just a stunning, stunning home. So much to love here, guys. Wow. Absolutely love it. And then you can have this as your dining / breakfast area. Lots of pot lights, which is perfect. Love this orientation. It's so unique. We do have a bathroom here. And another bathroom here. How unique is that? 2 bathrooms side by side. That's awesome. So it's like this room here can have its own bathroom. And then if you have guests, you can definitely still have the other bathroom as your kind of main level bathroom, which I love. Now, as we make our way upstairs, look how huge this window is. Stunning. And look how grand. I wish you guys could see this in person. Like, please reach out to me, book a property tour so I can walk you through this home in person. Let's go home shopping, guys. The time to get in your home before Christmas is now. So you have washroom laundry combo. Beautiful. I would say the ceiling heights are about 12 feet. Like really high ceiling. I feel like this area could definitely be used as an office. That's the vibe I'm getting, especially with this window here. It's giving office or content studio, media room. You also have this stunning large bedroom. So much to love with this space, guys. Then are you ready for the primary? Like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Like, I don't think you guys are really understanding how big this room is. It is, this room must be like, whew. Oh, it's huge. This is looking like almost like 20 by 15, like just a huge bedroom, gigantic window, and then look at the walk-in closet. Like, just absolute dream home. It's so grand, so grand. This is the primary. Now let's take a look at the backyard.